Hello, my great and wonderful people. We welcome you once again to our today's episode of this program. And today, you get some videos for our table. When we say we want quickly review to Una, still concerning the things, the battle. When we say if they go on for this country, Nigeria. I'm very sorry for use that word, say battle. Maybe a lot of us not believe, say yes, we did for battle for inside this nation as we did right now. Yes, now the mindset when it be say we get right now in be this very one. The thing when it be say they go on, it don't even pass battle. If we the youth never know say we did for battle, may we remind Una. But for the course of the program, we they showcase to Una some videos when it be say it relates to this issue why we did talk like this. One thing we want beg Una say make Una dey patient with us because a lot day when it be say we want try to review. We know we talk much. We want to review the video one after the other. First of all, before we start, in case today on the first time when we say they hear about us on the channel be this, we say you are highly welcome. I bet make you not forget to help us hit that subscribe button and also the small bell when they near so that anytime we will bring a new update, you know, we suffer to look for them. It will only come to you like a message. Our prayer remember say the same way when they say they support us on the channel. Now the same way when God with the same people when we support you for everything when it's good when you put your hands to do in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. Still for the battle when they say they go on between just say the well-being of Nigeria and this NDDC, this Akpabio and the boys. I just want to make Una hear this very one. Listen to this video and I will come back for the conclusion.
If you look at the contents of this report, the president, the Interim Management Committee has spent more money in a period of pandemic where we are all expected to be at home than even the commission that once had the ball itself. How can you explain this expenditure of 80 billion? 80 billion in 4 months of pandemic. How can you explain that? And you expect us to be happy with you? We cannot be happy. Therefore, Mr. President, it is better we say the right thing, no matter whose office is God. We must strengthen our oversight in this agency. We must review the law of NDDC. We must compel people to do what is right for the people of Niger Delta. If you don't set the record straight in NDDC, we have recently passed the Northeast Commission. So if you are not careful with NDDC now, this might snowball into Northeast. And I know that Southeast has come with their own commission. North Central has come with their own commission. Do we need to replace what is happening in the place of Niger Delta in the rest of the commissions? Then let us do the right thing and get the right thing gets done. We are tired. We are tired, Mr. President. We are tired.
All right, my great and wonderful people. Now, the battle one they talk about now in be this very one. Now, some of them now in be this very one. You know, we think say now the senator now they will do the youths now we they ask the youth question. We will try as much as possible not to offend anybody, but definitely we will still offend somebody. Who we want to offend? Now the youths. We, when they talk now, will be among of the youth. That is why we they try to use our voice to still do the little when we say we feel do, and also go on daily basis to make sure say we do our research to make sure say we they current to their own state. The things when they say the things say they hide to try to review to them say they know they hide. They feel wrong. They not feel hide. Yes, in case our people know they aware because we believe on what they say information na power. The information when you yourself know if you search, we will try as much as possible to go on research on daily basis to make sure say we bring them out. Yes, now and we day for. Now what we will do. Now waiting you when they listen to us will do, now you will still do. Why would they bring all this issue not pass? They say, imagine during this COVID-19 when they say everybody sit down and they say they spend 80 billion naira to who? For who? From where? Who they use and help? When Nigerians, under 1 week, the whole youth all over the places, everybody they cry because they don't get even any palliative. When they be say, now all those little bag of rice, when they be say they give to the youth, only place where they say I see say the share full bag of rice, now only Biafra. Yes. When the leader take commission, they bring all those trailers. Say, we still see everything. We see everything. Nothing when the will not they see. Yes. Apart from that, the federal government of Nigeria, now all those little bag, at the even some of them, they roti. The little beans when they give. Now you spend 80 billion naira. NDDC. Now Akpabio and the boys say they spend 80 billion naira. Eh? The other one, Ponde, when it be the acting managing director, of the presently now, as they fire Joe Lunier, or because of say not cooperate with them. Say, you know how many billions he say that they recommend to those people when they say they go they look site where they get their own projects just to oh my God. For you to for project when they say you award the contract, you don't know where they. For people to go find them where they did, he get how many billions say he award to them. Eh? My people, what will be the problem to the youth? Now the question, what would they ask be this one? Because if we continue like this, now maybe we'll see just talk. The video when we say we're supposed to showcase, we not showcase now. The question now what would they ask? What will be our problem, youth? What will be our problem? When we say our brain, no one agree wake up. To know say our own future, these people don't even chop on. Our children, now that they chop so. What will be our problem? All right, watch this next video. I will come back for the conclusion.
In terms of doing a great service to this nation. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, we have watched on live TVs what has been going on as far as NDDC is concerned. We have seen corruption being displayed at the highest level. Integrities of individuals have been put to test. As my brother Senator Smart Adeyemi has said, the mantra of this administration is to fight corruption. But what do we have? We have corruption fighting back. 4.5 billion was spent in a day in NDDC. 4.5 billion. And the most astonishing part of this is that the expenditure upon which this fund is predicated are frivolous in nature. And that goes to show that it's a huge amount of money coming from the oil companies to NDDC, coming from the federal government from NDDC, coming from the derivation account to NDDC, rolling to several billions of naira. And I'm made to understand that what comes from the petroleum companies are in dollars. At a point in time, there was a reconciliation that was done. No, I want to show where I said. There was a reconciliation that was done. That has to do with amount that was paid by the oil companies, amount that was received by NDDC, and amount due that must be remitted by these oil companies. And after the whole reconciliation, the petroleum company decided to pay the difference, which is in millions of dollars. I don't know if this is contained in this report. Mr. President, there is no game saying about it. There is need for us to reposition the board. I don't know, maybe the committee mentioned about the law establishing the board itself. If there is urgent need for us to revisit the law, to re-examine the law, because that is the first step we must take as a parliament. We are the one that passed the law establishing NDDC. So if there is any action that we can take that can be drastic in nature, it's for us to revisit the law establishing NDDC as a matter of urgency. Because with these laws, we can put in place all observations that will have been raised, ranging from one, the master plan of NDDC. What do we want for NDDC? How do we want NDDC to function as an agency?
all of these, we can put it in the law. The financial processes, the operational processes that have been mentioned by the committee, all these, we can put it in the law. And I believe if that law can be amended, and all the observations raised by the committee can be put in that law, that will serve as a stringent measure to protect these agencies, I think we will be doing NDDC as an organization a lot of good. The purpose for setting up this board ab initio was for the people of oil-producing countries, states, and that something good can come back to them, having taken so much in terms of money fund in the overall interest of this nation, they can have something in return. That is the purpose we have set up NDDC. Mr. President, according to the committee, the chairman making known to us that as we speak, NDDC doesn't have a board. Because of the absence of a board, the minister took over. And ab initio, NDDC reports straight to the presidency. But along the line, the presidency decided to hand it over to the minister. And within a period of 1 year, what do we have? We have serious issue that led to over 120-page report put together by our dear ad hoc committee. So, Mr. President, I will be asking this Senate to, as a matter of urgency, to bring out the law establishing NDDC for necessary amendments, so that all the observations that will be put together here today can be incorporated in that amendment. So at the end of the day, not only will we be salvaging the remaining honor for NDDC, we will be helping this nation and helping our own party to ensure that our own mantra, which is fighting corruption, has come to stay, and this nation can continue to function properly as a nation. I so submit, Mr. President.